wagwan. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are here with Sin Squad Stewie, plugged in with Fumez. Big up yourself, Fumez. We are reacting. Stewie, big up yourself. Sin Squad, we are reacting, so we are gonna pause a lot less. So tired, not have much energy, just fouled from the gym. Big bottle of water is here, still mash up as you're there. So anyway, let's jump straight tonight and see what going on. So yeah, done. Let's go, man.
Swear down. More money producers.
Monroe.
Alright, shouts out Fumez, plugged in right now. Again, you never did it. Since good shit. SMB, you know. Gang.
I ain't been splashed, don't know how he feels. I ain't been slapped, don't know how he feels. First time man jumped in the ride, I ain't even drilled, I don't know how to feel.
I ain't been splashed, so I don't know how it feel. I ain't been slapped, so I don't know how it feels. So splash, I when I get stabbed, right? I ain't been stabbed, so I don't know how it feel. Okay, alright.
First time grip hands on the toolie, I told JM, let's see how it drills. Using your bed with a birdie, meanwhile Will's outside trying to kill.
Wait there, man. First time I put hand on a toolie. Like the pattern.
First time man jumped in the ride, I ain't even drilled, I don't know how to feel. First time grip hands on the toolie, I told JM, let's see how it drills. Using your bed with a birdie, meanwhile Will's outside trying to kill. 100 words, 100 statements, 100 ops, 100 op thoughts. If there's 100 bricks I'm taking, 100 I'm out, circling around with a
What? Sin Squad, big up on a bomber class, for that. Big up on yourself, dog. That's all I'm gonna say, big up on yourself.
Birdie, meanwhile Will's outside trying to kill. 100 words, 100 statements, 100 ops, 100 op thoughts. If there's 100 bricks I'm taking, 100 I'm out, circling around with a out. Turn that left and turn that right, trying to sneak up, bros beating it now. Back my shank and I'm running him down, trying to end this foot chase. If he trips up, he ain't making it out,
Oh gosh, man say him grab him shank and I run him down. So you know say yo, you can't trip up in a year, you not have your chance of living is very slim if I run it down. And if him catch you, it's even slimmer. You go dead. Don't try not slip up and trip. Don't drop. Make sure there's no banana peel in the way, cause you will drop and mash up and I'm gonna mash you up even more. Let's go.
Ops, 100 op thoughts. If there's 100 bricks I'm taking, 100 I'm out, circling around with a out. Turn that left and turn that right.
What does hamdallah means? What does hamdallah means?
Trying to sneak up, bros beating it now. Back my shank and I'm running him down, trying to end this foot chase. If he trips up, he ain't making it out, Curtis and B on my back, my shank and I'm running him down. Clock them, spin the whip right now, gone blast this gang in the hunting bow. Gone blast this gang in the hunting bow. I was on the block posted with Wick. I was in a brought down whip. Jump in and we jump back out. Something gets chopped, then we jump back in. Yeah, coming like some twins. On the right and my left on my hip. He got caught on the lightning. Broski let go and made him swim. Gang be drilling on ops, not metro, bro. Go by the A like the drink. If I catch a K on it, I won't think before I get grabbed. I'm taking a trip. Dot gang chop that shit. Bro, beat off the 9, I bet that corner burn his skin. That was me in a black tie tire. I know you heard that drifting, you know it was Stig that's burning tire.
Yo, these fucking hard, brother. In my chop, dog. In my chop. The man say, yo, that was me in the burn, in the blacked out tire. Me, I wear full black, I step on your ends. Me. You make it known that was me. Wait, what y'all say? Fuck, yo, in my chop, brother. In my chop, man. Sorry, but I have to pull it up a little bit. In my chat, man.
I was on the block posted with Wick. I was in a brought down whip. Jump in and we jump back out. Something gets chopped, then we jump back in. Coming like some twins. On the right and my left on my hip. He got caught on the lightning. Broski let go and made him swim. Gang be drilling on ops, not metro, bro. Go by the A like the drink. If I catch a K on it, I won't think before I get grabbed. I'm taking a trip. Dot gang chop that shit. Bro, beat off the 9, I bet that corner burn his skin. That was me in a black tie tire. I know you heard that drifting, you know it was Stig that's burning tire. He's on waters like a firefighter. Anyone talk about liar. Got slapped in the back. Next time round we gon' rise it higher. I said next time round we gon' rise it higher.
Hear that?
M done queft him, left him, GBH and attempted M's. Slap or attempt with a lethal skeng. I'm still out here trying to catch one of them. Chef them and chef them again. Gang just turn out the ends and bro, buddy B just done it again. 4 shanks in the right, 1 skeng. Pop doors in a man their leg. Bro popcorn through his bullet gun flash straight through man's flesh. Sweet one, cute face and bumper. Give me the number, I'll give you a text. Give me the chance, I'll definitely press. Give me the ting, I'll definitely. Give me the ting, I'll definitely press. Press it.
Yo. Oh. The man no miss a beat, dog. The man no miss a beat. The man touch every single beat on the rhythm, dog. Yo.
Phone them tryna do them dirts. It was me and bro just the other day debating who's been doing more works. This mash ain't
Man say him and him brother debate. Him and bro debate. A debate we see yo who mash the most works, dog. The man in a competition with themselves. Friendly competition, dog. Yo, Sin Squad. Stewie, big up on a bumbo cloth self, dog. Brother.
Ever been testless, jump in the ride and see if it works. She got slaps and it worked not much, but deep down I know it hurts. But I ain't talking it up, cut. I don't want no one's family hurt. LR on the engine speeding, you ain't keeping up, have you tasting dirt? Got it in second, trying to fling it in third. I wind that window, bro, reverse.
Fumez, the engineer.
Bumbo class. Scholar. Yo. Yo. The man, him no miss a beat. Yo, the man find
Amazon's daily.
The man find every single. Yo. Fire. Fumez, big up a bumbo class self, dog. Sin Squad, big up on a bumbo class self, Stewie, dog. Yo, this bad. Me enjoy that. Even though I couldn't break it down because a lot of it skip over my head. But when me get out of it, dog, fire, brother. Fire, no fucking joke. This is a short reaction today, guys. So, enjoy the video. Guys, I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. Look more, dog. Big up for the self. Stewie, big up for the bumbo class self. Fumez, big up, dog.